All right, good morning, Sudara family, and welcome back. We started to pick up the pace a little bit on these construction update videos, mainly because the pace of the construction, as you can see behind me, is really picking up. It feels like high season has not even stopped, which is great. Sales volume continues to be very, very strong. We're also really excited to be offering out on a limited basis to our owners first, special early pricing on phase 2 within the next 2 months. So, just to put into context behind me a little bit, you can see that Block A has already been completely topped off, and they've more or less completed filling in each of the units. As we go to Block B, they have now topped off the roof of the first section of it, right? So working on the roof there. And then over to Block C, we're on the 4th floor, and both of those buildings, Block B and Block C, will be completely topped off by the end of May at the very latest. Currently, the project is about 2 months ahead of schedule, and I want to keep seeing that rolling so we can all be enjoying our time here in paradise sooner than later. As of last month, we just started releasing Block C units available for sale to our previous investors. And we already have a number of buyers from A and B who have snapped up these available units already. The units on this side facing the east will, when the project is complete, be pool view units facing the other building of the second phase, much like we have here with A and B. So these ones now people can get at a very, very good price, and they will be super premium units in 2 years when construction is done over here. So those concerned with the longer term ROI are really jumping all over these ones. So reach out to the team if you've got any questions there. So I want to take you a little bit inside of Block B, and you can see what's happening inside of Block A. So here we're up on the 2nd floor of Block B. You see all of the floors have the ports for the utilities sticking out and ready to be received. They then are now connecting all of it to go up to the next levels and down to the levels below. So plumbing goes in first, then electricity and other conduit from there. Wow, this perspective of Block A is really, really impressive. But you can see just how large the pool is. I mean, the main section is 50 meters. Really great place to hang out. Over here we'll have the cabanas, kids play areas in either corner. Really gonna be fantastic. All right, so we're having a look now at Block C. As you can see, it's coming along really, really quickly. So one thing that's really cool over here is you can see in front of Block C, they just have a single story villa project in front of them for views. So those folks on the 5th, 6th, and 7th floors will have sea views right there. We don't market that, we don't advertise that, we don't charge you for that, but that's what's gonna be happening. It's very, very cool. All right, so here we have another view of the west or sunset facing side of Block C. What you can really see up here is the perspective you're gonna get, and definite sea views for those on the southern half of the building. We've had a number of buyers from Block A and B snapping up these key units, particularly on the upper floors. However, we still have some great premium units available on the ground floor with 2 and 1 bedroom private pool units. And then on the other side, which will be facing pool in phase 2. So a lot of very premium units here to pick up at a great price. This is a really good perspective here. You can see that all of the units in Block A have been enclosed now. Again, this is the benefit of our modular construction style. These AOC walls, 20 centimeter thick, just slide right into place and make a very clean seal. You can see on the lower floors here, like over here, specifically, they've already started getting the rooms painted out white, which means that they've already finished the interior electrics and other utilities. Over here to my right, they're working hard on the pavilion. So this will be the social hub, right? You'll have the restaurant, you'll have your fitness center, yoga terrace, etc. right here. But secretly underneath is going to be the entrance to your underground parking. All right, everybody, we're walking over to A111. I want to show you the latest progress on the demonstration unit. So come on in, let's see. So here we are in the foyer of Block A. Big wide open spaces starting to come along. Like they've already enclosed in the ceilings in here. 2.75 meter everywhere. I can't even reach the ceiling in here. So as we come into A111, it's looking more and more complete every day. They've got the sliding glass doors on now, aircon units installed, a lot of the furnishings for the kitchen, bathroom, and bedrooms already in place. So George, this is good luck for you. You will be able to see your unit done before anybody else. Just to point out though, this will be a demonstration unit from the construction company, so this will not be furnished until the rest of the project is furnished. But we will be able to show you exactly what the fittings look like. I want to thank you all again for your support of our project. You're the reason we're all doing this, right? And working very hard to make sure your investment is delivered better than you expected and hopefully sooner than you expected. So I really want to just reach out with all my gratitude to all of our owners and to let you know again that if you would be interested in taking some of the newer released units in Block C, please contact your sales team directly. They will set aside units for you at the current price before we start elevating for the general public. Obviously, you trusted us before anybody else did, so we want to make sure you get the best quality units at the best possible price. So thank you all very much. We'll be sending out another video in the next couple of weeks. Work is going so fast here, you won't believe how much change we see every 2 weeks now. Thank you so much. We'll see you in Phuket soon.